Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today I'm sitting on Danny's porch swing. Just saying. It's not porch time. I am getting really close to the 5,000 subscriber mark, and I would like to do a giveaway. And as you know, there's two things I'm really passionate about, and one is oils, and the other's, my Bette's Box of Blessings. I get those every month, and so I'm going to be doing a review on Bette's Box of Blessings, but this one, as usual, they're all tough. And this one is called Be Still. And this is a notepad on a little, I guess, a clipboard. And it's called Be Still. And then it has a lighthouse that says, "The Lord is my light and my salvation." Psalms 27:1. It's beautiful. I'm going to be doing this box, but this is going to be part of the giveaway. And wild orange. I'm going to send a wild orange. There's going to be some seeds. There'll be some other knickknacks along the way. It's just Crazy Day stuff. That way, you won't know everything you get in this giveaway. So guys, I appreciate every one of you for sticking with me in Crazy Days and my crazy days as it is. And y'all are a blessing to me. Like Danny says every time, you guys are a blessing to us. We appreciate our friends that we've met along the way, and we want to keep giving. I've got several videos I want to get done for Crazy Days, but they will be sporadic. Crazy Days will be once, twice, maybe 3 times a week if I'm lucky, and they're going to be sporadic, guys. If I'm in town, I might go live. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications. Maybe YouTube will send you a notification if you're lucky. So just check that with me off and on. Hang in there. I'll try to be reasonably consistent. Things are getting a little complicated here. We're gardening. We've got a lot of gardening going in. The potatoes will be coming out in 2 or 3 more weeks. It's not going to be too much longer. Sometime in May, we'll be harvesting potatoes, which means I will be canning. I'm going to be hosting a canning class. So I haven't set the date, so check out Deep South Homestead over the next couple of days when I set a date for the next week when I do a nighttime canning class, and we're going to have Danny helping us. So you're going to have some fun with both of us. It's going to be a $10 charge through PayPal, and I do that because I do not want everybody jumping into the canning class and just chit-chatting. We want to have a canning class without the normal riffraff just jumping in and trying to disrupt our class. So I will send people the links, and when we go live with it, we'll have fun. Thank you for helping me get to the 5,000 subscriber mark. Keep in mind, the canning class coming up, other videos coming up throughout the year. Going to be cooking some more. Some of it's going to be off-grid. Danny and I are really working on our off-grid cooking right now and enjoying the process. So there'll be videos on both Deep South and Crazy Days on both. So if you'd like to be a part of the giveaway, just comment below. That's all I asked. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.